You're holding me without no touch. You don't need chains to hold me back. Light it up, I can't speak your mind. My words slipping on to give me nothing back. What is love? I can't tell you how. I'm caught up in your thoughts tonight. See, I've been building walls. You break them down, break them down. Oh, every time I go brings back your love, back your love. Thought I could let you go, be free. If you find someone, leave me be. I loved you without no doubts, but I need love to stay alive. Light it up, I can't speak your mind. My words slipping on to give you nothing back. What is love? I can't tell you how. I'm caught up in your... Keep on talking to me. Don't you leave me by myself. There's something in the way you're moving. You can make me lose my breath. In a room of flashing lights, you pull me closer as we dance. It's you and midnight. Let's leave now and get undressed, undressed. When you look in my eyes and holding me close, I know you won't let me down. For the rest of the night until break of dawn, baby, it's the two of us. I know you won't let me down.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions.